everyone, and today we are back in World of Warships. I've unlocked a little bit more, so it won't be like 2 ships that absolutely suck. I mean, mostly. I've actually done that now. I mean, both torpedoes. Victory. So I am super close to getting my first aircraft carrier. Here's what it looks like. It's like they took a boat and just strapped a runway on top. I mean, isn't that what aircraft carriers are anyway? Yeah. This just takes that to the next level. Like, literally, look. It might as well have just been like a ferry. Like a ferry that you ride across rivers with. And then they just strapped wood on top and named it an aircraft carrier. Anyways, let's go to battle. One of my favorite things is that when I like torpedo an enemy, and like all my torpedoes hit and they like instantly die. Don't mind my yawn. I'm gonna pause until we're in battle. Okay, we're in battle. Whoa, what's gonna... I think here we go. We have no aircraft carriers out right now. 10, 9, full right turn. That one seems close.
Autopilot mode
I look at my
enabled.
extreme. Yep, A's closer.
Action stations. Autopilot mode disabled.
The watch is I put on the engine boost with the swim turns.
Engine boost activated.
See how back it goes? Okay, it's now within my firing range. Why does it feel so weird? I don't know.
Enemy force detected.
Enemy forces detected. Is that a plane? Or is that his target? I don't know if it's a plane. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. I want my AA guns enabled. I haven't been hit yet. Oh, so close to doing shit here. This one's not as maneuverable, I feel, as my other one. It's the predecessor to... Oh man, we got to turn broadside and unload every single torpedo I have. Okay, the main guns are disabled.
Smoke generator started. Torpedoes dead ahead.
Oh! Yeah!
We've sunk an enemy destroyer.
Full throttle back!
Team has taken the lead.
Come
Torpedoes
on.
to starboard. Engine boost deactivated. Smoke screen set. Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes dead ahead.
Starboard! I should know my ship sides. I think starboard's left. I mean right. Plane! It's sabotaging! Little does he realize what I'm about to do to him. didn't torpedo him. I mean, he got shot. I should be happy about that, but like...
Our team has taken the lead.
Oh yeah, on the map, I just realized that you can see the smoke clouds, and you can actually see the bullets as they fly. See? I don't think I'm going to cut it sharp enough. There's only one
Our
way
victory
to
is in sight.
Turn, drift! I like that ships do drifts in this game.
Our victory is in sight.
Good. Oh, he's just down to my extreme. Fuller throttle! Something cool I learned is there was multiple infinities. There's not just one huge infinity, there's like countable infinity, uncountable infinity, I forgot. But then there's absolute infinity. Oh my god. Apparently there's, I wonder just how big Rail's number is, which, if anyone's wondering, apparently Rail's number is the biggest finite number ever made. Which I think, yeah. Ooh, warship. I mean battleship. You ready to see me torpedo this, guys? Full engine boosts! I forgot that I have to use AP on warships. Battleships. I'm so confused. This is pretty scrumptious. Don't kill me. Oh! Yes! How did I not die? That was 4 torpedoes! What?
Our victory is in sight.
That was 4 torpedoes! How did I not die?
Destroyed.
But I destroyed them. Like... Oh, right, I destroyed it for fire. Jeez, but he took 4 torpedoes. Or usually that'd be enough to wipe out anything. Oh yeah, you can like, see what's going on. That's so nice.
Engine boost deactivated.
Actually, usually I die really early on. I still can't believe that I killed a battleship. Plane. It's gotta be a destroyer.
Smoke generator starting.
It's a cruiser. One salvo a little ahead, and this one also a little ahead. He's dead!
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Yeah! That's one of my best battles yet. Oh, we're so close. We literally only need... Oh my god. We're close to getting an aircraft carrier. Straight to battle. I can't believe I did so good this round. I'll pause until we're in battle. Okay, here we go. New Dawn. I don't think I've done this one. Oh yeah, I definitely done this one. If I'm up here, I'm heading
Autopilot
straight for
mode
A.
enabled. Autopilot mode disabled.
General quarters.
Engine boost
The
activated.
reason I really don't like playing with battleships is like their cannons take like 30 seconds to reload. And there's not even that much damage. I mean, at least the one I have, the South Carolina. I looked at the North Carolina battleship in this game, and it is accurate. Every detail of it. Because I visited the North Carolina battleship. And it's accurate, so most of the ships in this game are probably accurate. I'm not saying I was doubting it, it's just it usually is accurate. Which I hope you guys know. I mean, it's accurate unless it's like the trouble in the hot tub version. Which is just rubber ducks. All my cannons have converged on that one firing line. Except they can't shoot.
Smoke generator started.
I estimate they'll have someone coming in soon. I'll be ready to broadside and fire everything at them. Okay. Cruisers down there. Oh, I think the reason they're hollowed out is
Engine boost
they're literally
deactivated.
out of my sight of view.
Smoke
I haven't
screen
even
set.
spotted yet. Unless they look on their map and see that big chunk of smoke up there. Woo! Got to get the capture. Can't touch it. Do. Because I can do donuts at 29, 30 knots. So, okay, I can do that. What in the? Sorry, the destroyer behind me. Thankfully, this thing is ripped like no other boat in the world.
The ship is on fire.
As I said, it's a real good
Problem
risk.
solved, sir.
Now, if you don't mind me, I'm gonna hide back in my smoke. How should they be capturing A? Woo! Must get in my smoke.
Critical engine damage.
Dang it.
Head ahead.
Dang it, dang it, dang it.
Torpedoes.
Dodge!
Torpedoes.
Oh! There's little red triangles are their torpedoes. Did you see that dodge? No, did you see
Dead
that
ahead.
dodge?
Problem solved, sir. Our team has taken the lead. Torpedoes to start.
The longer I survive, if I die, my team lose points. Not many, just they lose points. I don't want to be responsible for my team's loss.
Engine boost activated. Torpedoes direct front.
Oh! Yes! An eye for an eye!
Victory is in sight.
Yes, I destroyed them. That's their
Enemy
boat right
cruiser
there.
destroyed.
And there's my boat that got showed. Wasn't a torpedo. There's a shell. At least their boat is to sink. The prizes for this mode are out, but that doesn't mean we can't play it. Huh? Oh. This event's currently inactive. Oh, it'll be available in 2 hours. Okay. Sorry, El McQuacky. I'm not playing the battleship. But if anyone's worried that the ships in this game are inaccurate, they are. If anyone has ever visited the North Carolina battleship, I think it's docked in Wilmington. That deck looks the same. The guns look the same. Those AA look the same. Those side guns look the same. Those guns look the same. Those guns look the same. That gun looks the same. And they even have the little plane back here. That was there too. Seriously, this boat is really accurate. I can't say anything about the other boats because, like, I've never seen them. But this one is super accurate if you have this game that are worried that it's not accurate. So, just so you know, it is accurate. That's exactly what the boat looks like. Oh, submarine. Someone is that about? Okay. Port. Let's use the Whippy, which is my Tier 3 destroyer. It's just I want that aircraft carrier so bad that I rebought it so that I could get more XP for it faster. Because that when the Clemson is in battle. Okay. Kerfuffle. Kerbop. Kerboppily.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Pretty sharp tone, don't you think? Hey, don't put me at force. You're not putting me at 3/4 speed.
Engine boost activated.
Oh, we got depth charges. Submarines. Submarines. By the time we get back, the Clemson should be out of battle. And then we might be able to get an aircraft carrier. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Tango, boom. I have no idea why I just did that.
Autopilot mode disabled. Autopilot mode enabled.
I may or may not have autopilot on.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon. The jet.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Enemy cruisers. Shit.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Generator started.
Generator. Oh! Did I just see a head-on collision? Oh, it might have been a little more of a side collision, but...
Engine boost
Wait,
deactivated.
is that a... Oh, what a primitive cruiser. If that's the one I think it is. Yeah, that's the Chester. Rank 2.
Smoke screen set.
Swing right. The torpedo hit it, but it wasn't enough. No! Come on! I caused a breach, flooding, and... Come on, that torpedo should have sunk. Warships would sink with one torpedo, I think. Comes up so bad, wow. Oh, please don't make me use the South Carolina. Alright, I still have the St. Louis cruiser. I could just rebuy Samson. So close, yet so far. Okay, let's take the St. Louis out the battle. A lot of people already queued up for a battle. Well, you know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, we're loading in. This thing doesn't even have any specials. It's only got 10 guns. Most of them are little side guns. Look how slow it maneuvers.
Action stations.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Autopilot mode enabled. Hey, I'm here. Alright. Slow. This is why I like destroyers. They're fast.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Dolphin. I don't know why I'm saying dolphin. I mean, this thing's got an extreme of 11.3 kilometers. Or whatever it is. Whatever. 11.3 something. That ship to my extreme.
Enemy destroyer detected. Enemy cruiser sighted.
Oh. I overshot.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Yes, one. Oh. Yes, one shot. Good. Sharp right.
Torpedoes to port.
Port behind me. Port's behind me. Oh yeah, because port will be behind me. Starboard, I think is right. No, port's left. I'll have to figure it out. I got so many guns on this thing. 10, but then there's all the secondary. Oh, you're in my stream. Every shell hit. One of our people died this way.
Torpedoes, direct front.
We have much less points to get. If we can kill this battleship they have,
Enemy destroyer sighted.
you'd be sailing smooth.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Turn all the way, you silly! We're gonna collide! And I'm likely gonna be the one that dies, but
Torpedoes astern.
come on, St. Louis. We can do this. We can do this, ship. We can do this. No, don't slow down.
The enemy
Switch
team has
to
taken the
AP
lead.
rounds. Don't touch him. If something like that happens.
The enemy is about to win.
I'm getting ricochets. My AP is a ricochet. That didn't happen with high explosive. It's just a non-penetration. But I hit him in the spot. Over.
Main turret critically damaged.
Can you ever stop shooting me? I'm
Problem
trying to
solved,
kill
sir.
your warship battleship. So, could you stop shooting me? Lost. 94 target hits, 32,000. Wow. Back to port. Clemson lost. St. Louis lost. Either way. Of course. 576 off, of course. Well, I'll see you in the next one.